Hello friends, today we will see how we can convert any English or any other language name into the our required language. Like I want to convert this name Ahmed into Urdu. I want to write it here. So first of all, we will use as a Google spreadsheets. It will be done over there because it need online. So we will use the command equal to Google Translate. It's come here, and we have to select the description which we want to convert Ahmed, then then comma, and we put which is the language written. So this I write in English, so I write en, again close, then comma, then we have to place which language we want to convert. Like I want to convert into Urdu, so I write UR, close and close the bracket and press enter. It will take the time, so it have converted it into this other language. So we can apply it here. So it have been converted the names into different language. Like this we can convert into any of the language. For example, I want to from the Urdu I want to convert into Chinese. Let's try. No, it's not affecting because I don't know the this one how what it will be. So I into Hindi, so HI enter, so it converted the into the Hindi. So you can see this name have been converted into the other language in Microsoft Excel. So this is for today. Please stay tuned for the next video.